Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to the session. Welcome to the India's largest and your favorite live learning platform, that is Gradeup. Yes, welcome you all. Yes guys, I welcome you all to this definite integral. Okay, rather the integral calculus series. The today's class is definite integral part number 1. Okay. Yes, we are live. Very good evening everyone. We are live and come on, before we start up, share कर दीजिए सब लोग. Okay, come on everybody, start sharing the video, start liking the video, show your love, show your motivation towards the Gradeup Gate YouTube channel. And yes guys, as I told you, integral calculus is a very integral part of your entire engineering. I don't say only mathematics. See, of course we are dealing here with the engineering mathematics, but integral calculus is an integral part of your entire engineering curriculum. Okay, and that is why we are running this special series, because many students, I have felt that, okay, are not very much comfortable with the integrals. Now let me tell you that the topics that I'm covering yesterday, and I just told you the schedule. Day before yesterday I had a session. I informed the schedule as well. Okay, everything I told you in the session, and we are beginning up with the definite integrals because we directly expect 1 marks or even 2 marks question from this topic. Okay, and we expect direct questions from this topic in the ESC prelims as well. I will show you all the variety of questions relevant to GATE as well as engineer services. Not only to the integral definite integrals, after definite integrals we'll also talk about improper integrals. We'll also talk about the gamma functions, beta functions, again very helpful for understanding many of the derivations as well in your technical areas. Okay, we also talk about multiple integrals, that is double integral, triple integral. We also talk about the surface areas, the volumes, the length of curve, volume, circumference of bodies, everything can be simplified using the integral calculus. Yes, so once again, very good evening everyone. I welcome you all to the session and let's get started guys. Let's get moving forward. Okay, so if you are joining me for the first time, this is a brief intro about me. This is Rakesh and I have secured All India rank 9th in the GATE examination and completed my masters from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Right. It's been more than 11 years in this industry, training the students for GATE, engineering services, various technical examinations, and my major area of expertise, of course, maths and aptitude, which is common for all of the branches, and in the technical, I deal with the EMT, digital control systems, and the signals and systems. So I hope everyone excited and ready to learn the definite integrals. Okay, so we are going to cover the definite integral in 2 parts. Okay, because property based questions are there. Okay, and some tricky questions are also there. No, entirely, not only questions, but you know, whatever is the supporting theory, I will take you. What is my assurance? Don't worry about theory, don't worry about questions. My assurance that as per the GATE and ESC demand, what type of questions are expected in GATE or engineering services from the complete integral calculus, bhale wo definite integrals ho, gamma functions ho, or multiple integrals ho, or areas or volumes ho, you will be comfortable with that. Okay, I will be taking in such a style, you will be comfortable with that. Yes Anshika, the definite integrals is also there for the computer science. So even this session is for the computer science. And guys, आपको हम बोलते आ रहे हैं, प्रिपरेशन तो हजारों लोग करते हैं, लाखों लोग करते हैं, बट ग्रेड अप है तो सही प्रेप है. लेकिन यू नो, सही प्रेप के लिए सही इंटरनेट भी जरूरी है. तो यस, विद द ग्रेडअप सुपर, ओके, इफ यू परचेज द ग्रेडअप सुपर सब्सक्रिप्शनशिप इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, you also get the complimentary internet from Gradeup. Complimentary internet from the Gradeup up to your tenure of subscriptionship. जितने duration का आपका subscriptionship होगा, that much you are going to get the internet as well. Okay, yes, it is for computer science, it is for first years as well, everything. It is applicable, it's engineering mathematics, it's for all. Okay, सबके लिए है, ठीक है, सबका भला होगा. चलिए सबके बारे में सोचेंगे. So let's get started guys. You know, as you know, we define the definite integral as the integral of the form integral a to b fx dx. Okay, integral a to b fx dx, where we are considering right now x as only on the real axis, because in general we can also talk about the definite integral of complex functions. Definite integral of complex functions will be discussed later on when I take complex function cases. Right now we only consider x to be a real variable and the fx is a continuous function in the interval a and b. Now try to recall last month I took differential calculus series where I have made it clear what is differentiation, what is the derivatives, okay, when is a function continuous, when is a function differentiable, etc. Okay, so yes sir. But before I start telling you any property or any process to calculate definite integral, my personal experience is that many of the students just simply forget the indefinite integral formula that you have studied in your basic high school, okay, in your +2. Okay, so if you forget the indefinite integral formula, so any of the topics like gate mein aapka syllabus aayega with the questions of definite integral, with the question of improper integral, with the question of gamma beta function. But if you don't remember the basic integration formula that you studied in your +2, of course there will be a difficulty. Okay, so to make it little convenient for you, okay, what are the most commonly used? See, formulas are many, but what are the most commonly used indefinite integral formula relevant to the GATE and ESC questions? Okay, I'll just show you a quick highlight of this. Okay, this is a very common one, as you know, integral x power n dx. Everyone knows x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. It could be any, like x power 4 dx, that is x power 5 upon 5 plus the constant of integration. This is indefinite integral formula. Okay, indefinite integral formula. Okay, the integral x power 4 dx is x power 5 by 5 plus a. Everyone knows this formula. Just very quick review of indefinite, of what? Of the indefinite integral formula, especially most useful for GATE and ESC. Formulae to bahut sare hote hain, but relevant to you, what are most useful? You can anytime you just search it on the Google as well. You will get it very easily. Integral of the trigonometric, integral of cos is sine, because the differentiation of sine is cos and the integral of sine will be minus cos. Right, the integral of e power x remains to be e power x, and if it is the integral of the form e power ax, then of course it will be e power ax divided by a. Okay, the integral of a power x, any other exponent other than the e, is a power x divided by log a. Okay, integral of 1 upon x, you all know, is log of mod x. Integral of 1 upon x dx is log of mod x. Right, integral of tan x is log of sec x. Okay, no need to derive everything. These are most commonly used formula. I'm not going to give you 50 or 60 of formula. Okay, selective 15, 16 formulas which are more important for you. I'm just showing you before starting the definite integral. The integral of tan x, log of mod sec x. Okay, integral of cot x, log of mod sin x. See why we commonly apply mod? Because we know log cannot be defined for negative numbers. Log cannot be defined for negative numbers, right? Okay, integral of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. Integral of cosec is log of cosec x minus cot x. Okay, integral of sec square x. Now these are memory based. We all know differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So integral of sec square x is tan x. Okay, differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So integral of cosec square x is minus cot x. Okay, integral sec x tan x is sec x, because differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Okay, integral of cosec into cos is minus cosec x. Okay, very important. Now you are going to see this useful in many of the questions. 1 upon x square plus a square ka integral, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. Okay, 1 upon under root a square minus x square sin inverse x by a. Right, and 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 is sec inverse x. Okay, is sec inverse x. Okay, and then finally one more rule of indefinite integral, that is the integration by part. And as we know, the integration by part will involve the process of isolate. Integration by parts we use for the integration of product of two function, integral f into g. Okay, where I call f as the first function right now and g as the second function, and it is given by the integral of first function constant into integral of the second function, first constant into integral of second, minus the integral of differentiation of first 1 dash into integral of second again into integral of second function, and then whole integral. Okay, where what is the first function, what is the second function, sabhi pe main question bhi lunga. I will take questions, I will make you practice. Okay, isolate. Okay, which is the first, which is the second? Okay, isolate. ठीक है, inverse, I means inverse trigonometric, like sin inverse x or cos inverse x, anything like that. L for logarithm function, log to the any base. Okay, A for algebraic function, like polynomial functions, x square, x cube, x power 4, anything like that. Okay, wait, इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस वीकेएन, आज से स्पेसिफिक इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस स्टार्ट हुआ है. ओके, टी फॉर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन एंड यू नो एनीथिंग लाइक साइन कॉस एटसेट्रा. ओके, there's a message from Arpita. Yes, Arpita, actually, even the Gradeup support team, I know you are a Gradeup super user, and Gradeup support team has given your contact number to me, and I tried contacting you. Maybe you didn't receive the call. Today evening, just I tried contacting you, Arpita. Okay, so you can just call me back on the same number. Okay. Arpita, this is a message for you, because just from our course and content team, I got that you are looking for some guidance from me, and they shared your number, so I gave you a call. So just look into your missed call list and give me a call tomorrow. Okay, E is for exponential function. That is the example e raised to the power x. This is example e raised to the power x. Okay. Now guys, because quickly I have just reviewed you all important formulas. Again, I am telling the formula is very big. Okay, the formula is very big, but the most relevant and most important for your purpose for GATE and ESE I have shared with you. Okay, and for this particular, see, usually I want my students to be active in the class. Okay, active in my class, follow the class notes, not like everything spoon feeding. But today, okay, today's class PDF I will share it to you, because these are so many formulas and you will save it with you. Okay, तो आज की क्लास का PDF, okay, I don't ensure for every class, but today's class PDF we will share it for you. Okay, we'll share it for you, so that all of these quick formulas that I'm reviewing, okay, I want it to you. आप सेव कर लो इसके अपने पास, ठीक है, आप सेव कर लो. So today's PDF I will give you. Yes, we'll take it as interesting as probability, don't worry. Robin Richard, yeah, we are step by step going ahead in the startup engineering maths. Robin, last month I took differential calculus, so that also you can refer on the YouTube. Okay, and this month integral calculus, and based on your josh and motivation. Okay, guys, more than 60 people are watching right now, and only 53 likes. Only 53 likes. So that should increase. That should increase. So last month we took some topics of differential calculus. This month we are taking integral calculus, and make this attendance go higher and higher and higher. I will bring up next minute. Yesterday only I committed. Next is वेक्टर कैलकुलस. नेक्स्ट इज वेक्टर कैलकुलस. अगर आपका जोश हाई है तो मेरा जोश तो सुपर हाई है, आप लोग को पता ही है, ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट कमिटमेंट विल बी वेक्टर कैलकुलस. ओके, वेक्टर कैलकुलस. कीपिंग, इफ यू गाइस कीप द सेम जोश, अगर आपको लर्न करना है तो वी आर देयर टू ट्रेन यू. तो माय नेक्स्ट विल बी वेक्टर कैलकुलस on the YouTube only, that I will commit you. But मैं last class तक देखता हूं how many of you are maintaining the continuity. And for today's class, because I have just reviewed important formula, I will share you the PDF as well. Don't worry. Okay. So guys, let us now get started with the definite integral. This was just a review of the formula that you must necessarily know. Okay, जो आपको बिल्कुल ध्यान में होने चाहिए. Okay, including the eyelet rule. Okay. Yeah, Vishal, that is applicable for product of two functions. Okay. Chalo, so let us get started with the definite integrals, and to achieve the questions of definite integral, to solve the questions of definite integral, okay, let's understand the properties of definite integral, because every question will involve one or the other property. कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई property के साथ आपका question बनेगा. Okay, you're searching for heart option. Heart option must be there. Comment box में heart option होता है. Heart is there, fire is there, everything, you know. तो कमेंट बॉक्स में सब कुछ चलता रहना चाहिए. इट्स गुड दैट द कमेंट बॉक्स इज ऑल्सो कलरफुल. तो देखो गाइस, इन द डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल, नंबर फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नो, वन ऑफ द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी, द नेम ऑफ द वेरिएबल डज नॉट मैटर. ओके, वेदर इट इज इंटीग्रल fx dx और इंटीग्रल ft dt. ओके, इट्स वन एंड द सेम थिंग. ओके, इंटीग्रल a टू b fx dx और इंटीग्रल a टू b ft dt. बहुत बढ़िया. अब आप देखेंगे, whenever you interchange the limits of इंटीग्रल a to b और इंटीग्रल b to a, there will be a sign change. There will be a sign change. Okay, integral a to b fx dx is negative of integral b to a fx dx. Right? Number 3. Yes, here it is. Akash coming up with the hearts. Satyami coming up. Very good, guys. Great. मजा आता है ना ऐसा जोश देख के. जोश होना चाहिए बच्चों में. Okay, जोश should be bilateral, bi-sided. Then only we'll get the good Good class going on. Now guys, this seems to be a very simple property, but मैं आपको बता दूं, this seems to be a very simple property that you can break the limits of integral a to b fx dx is integral a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx, where c is a number from a to b. ये बहुत सिंपल सी प्रॉपर्टी है, but this can produce one of the powerful questions as per the gate level. I will show you the questions. इसके questions थोड़े से आगे जाके लेंगे because good questions are made here, especially when the questions are involving modulus functions where you need to break the limit. Okay, modulus functions, step functions. Commonly there are some functions like modulus function and step function where you need to break the limit. Okay, you can't directly integrate from a to b, but you need to integrate first from a to c and then from c to b. Okay, like the step function I have taught you in the differentiability in the continuity class. Okay, modulus functions. So this can make good questions. ठीक है, मैं good question show करूंगा यहाँ पे. Integral a to b fx dx is integral a to b f a plus b minus x dx. ठीक है, at your level you don't require the derivations and proof of this, that is required in +2. आपको question, आपको application oriented चलना है. And integral 0, special case of this, integral 0 to a fx dx is integral 0 to a f a minus x dx. Okay, 0 to a fx dx is integral 0 to a f a minus x dx, right? Now let's write down these three properties and then let's take some questions as well. Now this is guys direct question. मैं आपको बोलूं direct question. Whether you take the GATE exam, whether you take the engineering services exam, you are finding direct questions of this property. Direct, sometimes very much direct, sometimes थोड़ा सा indirect. मैं दोनों question show करूंगा. That is integral minus a to a fx dx. Okay, when fx is an even function and when fx is an odd function, one of the most commonly used property when the GATE and ESE questions are made. So integral minus a to a fx dx is entirely 0 if you have an integral of the odd function. Okay, and it is twice integral 0 to a fx dx for even function. For even function you can make it twice integral 0 to a fx dx, right? Next, integral 0 से 2a fx dx. I'll take an example on this. Integral 0 से 2a fx dx is again equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus fx. Okay, and it is twice integral 0 से fx dx if f of 2a minus x equal to fx. Okay, integral 0 से 2a x fx is a integral 0 से 2a fx dx if f of 2a minus x equal to fx. Now let's see some examples as well, तब जाके मजा आएगा. For example, let me take an example. Suppose I am asking you the integral 0 से 2 pi simple integral sin x. Now you can say, sir, this I can solve directly. Yes, you can solve directly, but let us try to understand one of the property here. Integral 0 से 2 pi sin x dx. What is integral 0 से 2 pi? Now what is the integral of sin x? Everyone knows. What is the integral of sin x? Is the cos x, minus of cos x. So directly I have solved integral sin x as minus cos x. Now I will put the limit 0 से 2 pi. Minus outside. Now I will write down cos of 2 pi upper limit minus cos of 0. And this is what? Cos 2 pi is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. And the net result is 0. Now, if I try to solve it by property, if I try to solve it by the property, if I take the property based approach, what is my function fx is actually sin x. Okay, and everyone should know what is f of 2 pi minus x. That means what is sin 2 pi minus x. Okay, sin 2 pi बोले तो कितना 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta means fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant में sin is negative. Fourth quadrant में sin is negative. Okay, अच्छा, just to interrupt, one of my common observation कि sometimes students are forgetting the quadrants of this trigonometric function and they are committing the mistake. 180 plus theta पे क्या लिखना है, 360 minus theta पे क्या लिखना है. Okay, so if you by chance forget this quadrant rule, this is just a little deviated from integration क्योंकि ये हर जगह यूज होता है. And I have seen many times students forgetting the quadrant itself कि कौन सा quadrant में कौन सा sign positive है या नहीं. Okay, so I will just offer you one simple rule. Everyone should remember that. Okay, everyone should remember, and the rule is, I will write down the rule is this rule क्या मतलब, just technique of remembering. I remember like this from my childhood. Okay, जब से trigonometry पढ़ना start किया था, childhood मतलब पैदा होते तो नहीं, but I think 9th 10th class whenever I started with trigonometry, this is the way that I am remembering, that is ASTC. Now you will say, sir, how to remember ASTC? You might have some different rules. आपके अलग अलग रूल होंगे. Okay, ASTC, all students take coffee. सब लोग कॉफी ले लीजिए. All students take coffee. Okay, all students take coffee. Okay, अच्छा, कॉफी से याद आ रहा है guys. Different names you are giving. कॉफी से मुझे ये याद आ रहा है guys, at the end of this integral calculus class on 15th of April, okay, on 15th of April we have a quiz. We have the interactive quiz. Okay, we have the interactive quiz. Okay, all students take coffee. This is the rule. Coffee से मुझे ये ध्यान आ रहा है कि 15th April we have the interactive quiz as well, to be prepared for the quiz as well. Okay, A, all. S is sine. Okay, T is for tangent. C is for cosine. That is what it is. ASTC, first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. All, first quadrant, all are positive. Second quadrant, sine, sine के साथ of course. Sine के साथ of course cosec will come. Tangent के साथ of course cot will come. And cosine के साथ of course sec function will come. That is by default. Okay, so yeah, come back to the integral discussion. I was just telling you, you can remember it like this. Okay, ASTC, all students take coffee. यहाँ आप लोग अपने अपने कुछ ट्रिक्स याद रखें तो वैसे ही रख लो. So sin 360 minus theta is minus sin theta. Okay, coffee session. Nice idea. Let's have a coffee session with students. चलो कुछ ना कुछ एक motivation students. We'll have a coffee session with you as well. चलो, right? एक बार कॉफी लेंगे आप लोग. It will be a virtual coffee session. You also have coffee at your home. We'll have a coffee and we'll have some healthy discussions. कुछ healthy discussions करेंगे. ठीक है. So f of 2a minus x is equal to what? Ultimately, what you are getting, guys? F of 2 pi minus x is minus sin x. That is minus fx. Okay, minus fx. So whenever f of 2a minus x equal to minus fx, everyone look at this. F of 2a minus x equal to minus fx, then integral 0 से 2 pi, integral 0 से 2a, okay, fx dx is how much? Is 0 by the property. We got it 0. Okay, this is also 0. This is also 0. Okay, integral 0 से 2 pi fx dx is equal to 0. Integral 0 से 2a fx dx equal to 0 if f of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus fx. That is what this property says. Okay, then I have given you another result. Integral 0 से 2a x fx dx is a integral 0 से 2a fx dx if f of 2a minus x equal to fx. Now guys, one more question for you. Can we solve this question? Integral 0 से pi x sin x dx, integral 0 से pi x sin x dx, integral 0 to pi x into sin x dx. Pratmesh and others, quiz. Whatever I am teaching from today up to the 14th of April, that will be the topic of quiz. This integral calculus part that I am teaching. From today up to the 14th of April. Quiz is on 15th, 15th April, and the topics from today, that is starting from 6th April up to the 14th April, whatever we are covering, उसी पे based quiz होगा. So that not only you attend the class, but you revise at home, you learn for test. That makes a complete preparation. Answer complete करना है. Come on, everybody. एकदम fantastic. Fantastic students, fantastic answers I need. Integral 0 से pi x sin x. Now one of the possibility you might think is integration by parts. Apply I rule, solve integration by parts, because you may say that, sir, this is a product of two functions. Okay, so let's say this is hash method number 1. Okay, but of course integration by parts will take a little bit of time. Quiz app पे होगा. मैंने आपको yesterday बता दिया था. Quiz will be on the app. Okay, yeah, that's what Jashwant we are telling. We can think about product rule, but that will be little lengthy. Can I think something else? क्या मैं थोड़ा सा simple कर सकता हूँ? Can I make it simple? Okay, can I make it simple? तो yes, look into another alternate method. Another alternate method where x into sin x. So let fx is equal to sin x. So everybody tell me, what is f of pi minus x? What is f of pi minus x? What is f of pi minus x? That is sine pi minus x. Now, pi means 180. 180 minus theta, kaun sa quadrant हुआ? Second, and second is for sine. All students, AS, second is for sine. So sine 180 minus theta, second quadrant, and that is positive. That is sine x. That is what is plus sine x. That is what is plus sine x. So sine pi minus x is equal to the plus sine x. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that means if I say pi equal to 2a, then I can say that f of pi minus x, that is f of 2a minus x, is equal to sine x, is equal to fx. And whenever f of 2a minus x equal to fx, how can I solve the integral easily? How can I solve it up integral easily? Integral x fx dx from 0, step by step I am explaining you. From 0 से 2a is equal to a, देखो ना ये वाला last property, integral 0 से 2a x into fx is equal to a integral 0 से 2a, okay, integral 0 से 2a fx dx, that is integral 0 से 2a fx dx. That is what is the property that I am going to use. Okay, so let us use this property. Integral 0 से 2a, 2a कितना है? pi के बराबर, x into sin x dx is equal to a बोले तो कितना हो जाएगा? pi by 2 integral 0 से pi sin x. Now integral 0 से pi sin x dx is a one step answer. Integral 0 से pi sin x dx कितना हो जाएगा? This is pi by 2 integral of sin x minus cos x, integral of sin x minus cos x, limit रख दिया 0 से pi, limit रख दिया 0 से pi. Okay, so this is equal to how much? Minus outside, so this is minus pi by 2. Upper limit cos pi, so everybody cos pi is minus 1. Minus lower limit cos 0 is 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, 2 and 2 cancel, minus minus cancel. तो कितना आंसर आता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है? It's turning out to be pi. It is turning out to be pi. Okay. The answer is turning out to be pi, right? तो check it up. कुछ लोग 0 बोल रहे थे. तो integral of the sin x we know is the minus cos x. Is the minus cos x. Okay. Okay. तो minus minus cancel भी हो जा रहा है. Cos pi 180, cos 180 minus 1, cos 0 is 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Upper limit minus lower limit. Na Rahul, look at this property. The limits are 0 से 2a only. Limits will not change. Integral 0 से 2a x fx dx is a integral 0 से 2a fx dx, right? Chalo. Now I give you some more property based question. Okay, now think and let me know, everybody. Can you give me the answer? Yes, Rahul Kumar, achiever, correct answer. Arun Kumar, correct answer. Yes, guys, looking for an answer here from your end. Can you think about this and produce an answer? Yes. Integral minus pi by 2 से plus pi by 2 sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Minus pi by 2 से plus pi by 2 sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Yes. What can be the possible answer for this integral? It's purely property based. Yes, Prahlad, correct answer. Test series, Prahlad, test series will be brought up by Gradeup content team. Gradeup से आएगा आपको, test series भी मिलेगा. Okay, so what do we have? Integral minus pi by 2 से pi by 2 sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Integral minus pi by 2 से plus pi by 2 sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x dx. That is what is the question. Anybody, come on. Yes, guys, looking for answers? Come on guys, answer. Simple है ये, एकदम सोचिए. The function to be integrated, if you take it as f of x sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x sin 2x. Yes, Arun Kumar, correct answer. Shakti, VK and Ramya Shri, बहुत बढ़िया, correct answer. So if I take sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x, so what is the f of minus x? Yes guys, what is the f of minus x? The f of minus x will become sin minus 2x upon 1 plus cos minus x. What is sin minus theta? Everyone should know sin theta is an odd function. So that becomes minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos minus theta is cos theta. So 1 plus cos x. And this is what is minus fx. So clearly telling you that f minus x, okay, is minus fx. What is the result you have? You have the result f of minus x equal to minus fx, signifying odd function. So what is the integral minus pi by 2 say pi by 2? Any limit minus a to plus a, symmetric limit, fx dx for odd function is 0. The answer stands out to be 0. Okay, answer stands out to be 0. Answer stands out to be 0. Shunya, duck. That's the answer. Okay, thank you Devdas, thank you Vasu. Alright, yes, the answer is 0. Simple number 0. Alright, chalo guys, let's keep on increasing the likes. Let's show your motivation. Motivation बढ़ाते रहो, likes को बढ़ाते रहो, and with this come up with the next question. Limit 0 से 2, limit 0 से 2, x minus 1 whole square sin of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus cos of x minus 1 dx. Everybody try this one. Okay, now it's the turn to try this. Yes, come on. How we can solve this? Directly solve करने जाएंगे तो looking like a complicated function. It's looking like a complicated function. See guys, some questions can be solved by substitutions. Okay. Integrate तो नहीं करेंगे because it is looking like a very complicated function. If I start integrating, how many properties, how many steps, I don't know. But if I start thinking about a substitution, let's say if I put x minus 1 equal to t. Okay, so whenever the x is equal to 0, the t will be minus 1 and the upper limit of x is 2, and whenever the x is equal to 2, t will be equal to plus 1. So the integral will be equal to t is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. T is equal to x equal to 0 से 2 to t equal to minus 1 to the plus 1. Okay, x minus 1, that is t square sin t divided by t square divided by kitna? T square plus sin t dt. T square sin t divided by t square plus cos t, sorry, that is cos of t. Okay, now this is some function of t. Let's take this separately. I have a function of t to be separated and the hint is integral minus a to a. Integral minus a to a. So some of you coming up with the answer: Lucky, Lakshman, Tanay, Pratmesh, Piyush, Ghansham. Correct answer guys, absolutely fantastic. So suppose this is ft, which is t square sin t upon 1 plus cos t. So what is f minus t? Now no need to expand, पूरा दिखाने का जरूरत नहीं है. f of minus t का square plus t. Sin minus t is minus sin t. The one minus is left. Upon 1 plus cos minus theta is cos theta. Denominator same, t square same. Only sin minus t is minus sin t. So one minus will be outside, rest is same. So f minus t is minus ft. F minus t is minus ft. Badhiya. Okay, f minus t is minus ft. Isn't it? Okay, so again signifying that you have got an odd function. Okay, so I have integral minus 1 to 1 ft dt, where ft is an odd function, so it should be 0. Okay, so answer for this as well is 0. And these are guys, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, these are guys commonly expected questions. Odd function वाली property पे बहुत बार पूछा जाता है. That's what it is. Answer is 0. The number 0. Moving on to the next question, guys. Now moving on to the next question. Okay, here coming up. Integral 0 to a. Now this is a different property to be used. यस अनिमेश, आप लोग को भी करना है, ठीक है, आप लोग भी मेहनत कीजिए, ठीक है, सब लोग को सफल होना है गेट में. तो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंटीग्रल 0 से a रूट ऑफ x अपॉन रूट ऑफ x प्लस रूट ऑफ a माइनस x. नाउ व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू a अंडर रूट x डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट x प्लस अंडर रूट a माइनस x dx. ओके, I. देखो, now think like this, everybody try to understand, everybody. If this is x, there are two terms x और one है a minus x, one है a minus x. Okay. Suppose I call it as integral 0 to a fx dx. But by the property, we can write down integral 0 to a fx dx as how much? As how much? We can write down integral 0 to a fx dx equal to integral 0 to a fa minus x dx. Video is lagging. Are you guys facing any issues with the video? Just 1 second. Yes, I think there seems to be a problem. Yes guys, I'm just looking for it. Why is it buffering? Yeah, I've just refreshed the class settings once. मैंने एक बार refresh किया है guys. Let us see whether it is still posing a problem. Okay, let me contact with the support team then. Yes guys, no one's only suffering. I think there is a continuous lag. I'm just checking my connection. I have dropped a complaint to our video team. They'll also be looking into that soon. Just guys, be patient for 2 minutes. Some issue is there with the streaming, I think. No, 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 no. There is a problem, and even students are getting troubled because of that. Yes, let me check. Still it is loading. Yeah, let me just check. I don't know, many students, एक तो students का patience level भी बहुत down है. Many students just left and it is still loading. No, 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 no. It is still looping. Chalo, let me at least try to proceed with this question. Okay, let me try to proceed with this question, guys. Okay, so I was just telling you the property that it can be written as, no, it's still loading. It is continuously loading even here. Yes, guys, just let me check again. Chalo guys, let's try to continue with this question. If it is not buffering, we'll just try to check. Yes, so integral 0 to a fx dx, as you know, is integral 0 say a f of a minus x dx. Okay, and that is equal to, now if I substitute f of a minus x dx, what I am going to get, this is integration 0 to a root x root a minus x upon again root x will become root a minus x plus root a minus x. So what is a minus x, guys? That will become plus x, right? That will become plus x. So यहाँ पे जो term आएगा, that is root x dx. And now what you can do, say this is one of the I and this is another I. Okay, right? I, and when I add both I and I, it becomes 2i. Okay. When I add both I and I, it becomes 2y, and let us add both the integrals actually. Okay, and let us add both the integral. What is the first? Limits are common, that is why I can add directly. Integral 0 say a, root x plus root a minus x. Denominator of both is common, root a minus x plus root x. So clearly, the denominator numerator has cancelled, guys. Okay, numerator denominator has cancelled. This part is 2i, that is integral 0 to a dx, and that is x limit 0 to a. Okay, the integral of dx, as we know, is x, that is from limit 0 to a, and that is a minus 0. So what is the integral? A minus 0 is a, that is the value of 2i, and the value of I is a by 2. The value of the I is a by 2. Yes. The value of the, yeah, still people facing, and that is why many people, I think, patience also students में बहुत कम है ना. Some 2 minutes, 5 minutes issue is there, they can wait also, no problem. Okay, so integral is equal to a by 2. That is what I can say here. The value of the integral here is simply a by 2. Simply a by 2. Okay. Chalo guys, moving on to the next question. I think it's fine now. Let's take one more question here. It's a gate 2 mark question. Very simple. Gate 2 mark question, that is integral 1 upon pi say 2 pi, not 2 pi, 2 by pi. There is a correction here. Okay, I'll write down these limits clearly. This is the limit 1 upon pi, this is the limit 2 upon pi. Okay, I will write down the complete integral here. That is 1 upon pi say 2 upon pi cosine of 1 by x whole divided by x square dx. This is the question for you. This is the question. Yes, come on everybody, come on. 1 upon pi say 2 upon pi cos of 1 by x divided by x square. Tomorrow also class will be there, Yaragla. Okay. If one or two questions we are able to solve less today because of the buffering, tomorrow I will compensate. Don't worry. मैं कल compensate करूंगा, loss नहीं होगा. Okay. Yeah, it will be there in the playlist abhi. Yes guys, come on. Integral 1 upon pi से 2 upon pi cos of 1 by x upon x square dx. So what is the idea that you are getting? Okay, what is the idea? कि क्या idea होना चाहिए इसको solve करने के लिए? What should be the idea behind solving this question? What should be the idea behind solving this question? Simple सा logic है. 1 upon x को अगर t लिया, see we know the differentiation of cos x. Okay, but this is not cos x, cos 1 by x. Can I convert it into cos x या cos x type term? Yes. Try to substitute 1 upon x equal to t. और जैसे ही 1 upon x को t रखा, what is the differentiation of 1 upon x? Minus 1 upon x square. Okay, so if you substitute 1 upon x equal to t na, तो 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square dx equal to dt. So this will be entirely substituted. So there is a substitution for 1 upon x and then there is a substitution of dx upon x square. Whole process becomes simple. Okay, whole process becomes simple and your integral now becomes integral. Everybody see, limits also reciprocal. If 1 upon x equal to t, तो t is equal to x is equal to 1 upon t. तो limits को लग दिया 1 upon pi की जगह pi. Upper one is 2 by pi, so it becomes pi by 2. Reciprocate the limits also. Right, Rameshwari, correct answer. Okay, cos of t dx upon x square is minus dt. Mind it, it is minus dt. Acha, okay, minus dt. Right, so what to do with the minus? You can interchange the limits. Pi by 2 say pi cos t dt. Now what is the integral of cos t? That is the sin t. Lower limit pi by 2, upper limit pi. Okay, upper limit pi. Okay, yes Jyoti, correct answer. Upper limit sin pi is 0, lower limit sin pi by 2 is 1. Final answer minus of 1. Final answer minus of 1. Yes Lucky Lakshman, correct answer. बहुत बढ़िया. I think still some problem is going on. Unfortunately guys, again the problem has come up and I am not getting the response from the support team as of now. Alright guys, so sorry, I think we'll have to move it towards the next class. I am not getting the response. Yes, again buffering. Now it's totally buffering. Ab to totally buffer ho raha hai, it is not even reloading.